Yes, today also we're going to jungle. Just there. Just to enjoy the beauty of jungle. Today also we are going to jungle because we all are jungle lovers. And from here we can see the view of Kohima town. It's so windy, it's so windy. It's very windy. क्या खूबसूरत है देखो. See the beautiful view of Kohima from Assam Rifle site. We just came from this side, Rangthang, and now we have reached the highway. I mean the main road. Whew. It's very windy. Actually, jungle we thought of cooking, make something noodles from the jungle, make fire, but it's very windy, so very risky for catching fire, burning the forest, so it's very dangerous. So we'll not make fire. What do you think, na? Mas beautiful na view na.